In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on a Windows 11 PC. Let's get started right from your desktop. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. You can quickly confirm this by checking the network icon on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you see that you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you're good to go. Now, open the browser that came pre-installed with Windows 11, which is usually Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking the Start button, then typing Edge or Microsoft Edge, and selecting it from the search results. Once Edge opens, click on the address bar at the top of the window. In the address bar, type google.com and press Enter on your keyboard. When the Google homepage loads, look for a link or button that says Get Chrome or Download Chrome. This is usually near the middle of the page or sometimes at the top right. Go ahead and click that button. You'll now be taken to the official Google Chrome download page. On this page, you should see a button that says something like Download Chrome. Click this button. A small window or bar will appear asking you to confirm the download or choose what to do with the file. Select Save or Save File, and the Chrome installer will begin downloading. After the download finishes, you need to open the installer. If you see a prompt at the top right of Edge, click on it and then click the downloaded file. If not, you can open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click the Chrome setup file you just downloaded. Windows may now show a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a normal security check. Click Yes to continue. The Chrome installer will start running, and you'll see a small window showing that files are being downloaded and installed. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Google Chrome will open automatically. You'll see the Chrome window with a welcome or sign-in page. At this point, Chrome is fully installed on your Windows 11 PC, and you can start browsing the web. If you'd like, you can also pin Chrome to your taskbar by right-clicking its icon and choosing the option to keep it there for easy